Stand upright on one leg, keeping your working leg stiff. Inhale and hinge forward with a straight back, reaching for the ground with both hands. Keep your back as straight as possible. Exhale and return to your starting position. Repeat with good form on each leg through program reps. The single leg Romanian deadlift is a great exercise to challenge your balance and teach your hamstring how to support your glute in hip extension and hip flexion. I don't need any equipment for this. I just need a floor and a space just in case I fall over. Let's get into it. The single leg Romanian deadlift is amazingly challenging to balance your hamstrings, your ankle, and your core. Katie's doing an amazing job keeping her back as straight as possible and reaching for the same spot on the floor every time. Now, if you're wrestling with your balance and having a hard time doing this, it's okay to grab something to stabilize. Katie can grab my arm here, you can grab a wall or a counter, whatever you can do to keep your focus in your hamstring. Excellent job, Katie. Well done.